In Creo Parametric, you can rename your files. I was creating a manufacturing assembly and I left the default name. After I saved the model, I pretty much instantly regretted doing that. To rename your files, you can go to the File drop-down menu and then choose Manage File and Rename. This opens up a dialog box where you can give a new file name. But first, I want to point out down at the bottom, there's a radio button where you can choose whether you want to rename on disk and in session or rename in session. And when I choose rename in session, this is where you can change the common name too. But since it's already saved to disk, I can only change the file name and not the common name. So let me type in here a new file name. And then I will click the OK button. And here we get the assembly rename dialog box. And in this case, I have a component that was created in there right now. It's set to keep name. I can change the name here, or I could use a naming template. I will click the OK button. And now this model is renamed. Here I have the component that belongs in there. I can rename it on its own. I really should have done it in that dialog box, but let me hop over to its window and I will show you that I can go to File, Manage File, Rename, and here I will rename on disk and in session. And let me change this name as well. Now I will click the OK button. And so this is renamed appropriately. Let me go back to the manufacturing assembly. You'll notice that it is renamed here as well because I renamed in session. So that's how you can rename your files in Creo Parametric. If you are using a product lifecycle management system or a product data management system like Windchill, you should do your renaming there.